we're working on grade 1 unit called why is the sun important for grade 1? So there's 3 sub-questions. Number 1, what makes day and night? What warmed by the sun? And what are the 4 seasons?
So these are our learning outcomes we got spoken about?
No.
So our learning outcomes are students will be able to identify the things that are warmed by the sun. And the students will be able to differentiate between day and night and that what causes day and night. And the students will be able to draw a picture about 4 seasons. So what we have done is we have tried to incorporate 4 C's in our lesson. And what we can make the students do is make a model of the earth, okay? Or they can also sing a song, right? For 4 seasons. And in order to develop critical thinking, we might ask students to think about what would happen if the sun would disappear. And there's one more. For collaboration, the students can work on together to make a poster or about the topics that they are learning. And finally, you want to talk about the assessment?
Okay, for the assessment piece, they should be able to describe the 4 seasons with their 5 different senses. And they also should be able to demonstrate verbally or use a model to tell how the Earth is rotating around the sun. That's all. Thank you.